woke up like half an hour ago. I got myself out of bed because I wanted to say bye to Rachel before she left. We are both going home for winter break, so I'm not gonna see her for like a few weeks maybe, which is crazy. So I wanted to make sure I saw her this morning and said bye and everything. And now I'm here alone. I'm actually not gonna be here for very long. I'm also leaving today, but I don't know what time. Today I need to pack, clean, and just like other random little things. I have kind of a weird schedule, so I'm basically going on a trip this weekend, but then I'm coming back, but then I'm leaving again right away. I'm gonna have to pack for 2 separate trips. I don't know, it's gonna be kind of confusing, but right now I want to have breakfast. I don't know what to have because we don't have that much food since we're gonna be leaving, obviously, and we didn't want to like waste stuff. I'm thinking I'll just do peanut butter and banana toast because that's always good. Now that I'm done with breakfast, I'm going to clean up the kitchen. It's kind of messy right now just because we were using the air fryer. I was using the toaster. There's dishes to be put away, dishes to be washed. So we're gonna clean it up. You guys know that whenever I have a lot to do one day and I want to feel productive, I like to get ready. Even though I really don't need to get ready today, I just like doing it because it just makes me feel ready for the day. And mentally, I just don't feel great if I just stay in my like pajamas all day and don't really get ready. Some days that can be fun on like really like relaxing days and stuff, but on days where I need to get things done, but I don't need to leave the house, I still do like to just like get ready. I look so bad right now. If we're gonna dig a little deeper, another reason why I like to get ready on days like this, especially when I'm filming, is because my skin has just not been doing too well. It actually has been getting a little bit better, but just in the past like, I don't know, 6 months or something, just has not been the best. Not even 6 months, it's been like years at this point. During quarantine is when my skin was like at its peak, I think. I used to never get cheek acne, but now I have all kinds of like scars right here. Knock on wood, I don't have any like live pimples right now, but like she's healing. I have been feeling very insecure about my skin recently, and I feel like it's been stopping my videos a lot. So I'm just gonna try to like make myself feel better, do some cute makeup, even though I'm probably gonna sweat it all off when I'm cleaning, but I'll feel cute while I'm doing it. I feel like I've been in a bit of a creative funk recently. I just don't know what you guys want to see from me. I feel like I'm just doing the same thing over and over again, which I don't like, but I also don't know what else to do, and nothing is really just like bringing me joy right now in terms of like my YouTube channel and like creativity and stuff. Like no stuff that I'm making I'm like super in love with, you know, and I miss that feeling and I want to get it back, but I just don't know how. And I also don't know what you guys like want, so please tell me like videos that you want to see from me, or even not even like specific videos. Please give me all kinds of feedback in the comments. Like maybe I would like to see this in your vlogs, or I've seen enough of this in your vlogs, or things that you might want to hear me talk about, just stuff like that. Even if you have ideas for like other social media platforms, like things you want to see more on Instagram or TikTok or something like that, you can leave that too. Like literally any feedback that you have at all, please let me know. Also, I was trying to do TikTok Vlogmas, but that just did not work out. I went on a little trip, and so I stopped for a few days, and I was like, okay, I'll just get back into it after my trip. And then I kind of did like another mini trip, and then had like finals week, and so it just got way too busy. And I did not think through that I was gonna have to do like Vlogmas through all that kind of stuff, but I really do enjoy TikTok vlogs. I did them for a little bit, and it was really fun. I do want to keep doing them, so if you want to see those, go follow me on TikTok. It's just at McKenna Salazar. Also, something I just remembered, I actually did try to film a video this week and did like just a couple days in my life, but I kind of just ended up not liking it, and so I made a little post on the community tab being like, basically there's not gonna be a video this week because I do not feel happy with the stuff that I was making, whatever. Basically everything that I just told you guys, and now I'm gonna be uploading this probably if I end up liking it. I think I will, because I want to just like talk to you guys. This doesn't have to be like this crazy interesting video. I just want to like connect with you guys, let you know how I'm feeling, and then hopefully get back into my regular stuff. But yeah, so if you saw that post, surprise, new video. Also, thank you guys for all your support, because I know my YouTube channel has just been like, I don't know, all over the place recently. I actually met a subscriber the other day and she was probably just like the nicest person I've ever met. She was just such a sweetheart and literally just made me feel like so supported. So Ava, if you're watching this, you're the best. Okay, makeup is done. For my lip combo, I did the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. This is my favorite lip liner with a hint of Go-Go tint. I also love the Benetint, but Benefit sent me a bunch of stuff, which like is insane. Thank you, Benefit. But they sent me the Go-Go tint and it's such like a different consistency than the Benetint. It's like not watery at all. But I added a little bit of that to just like make my lips look a little bit more pink. And then I used this Fitish Lip Game CBD lip treatment on top of it. Here's the brand. I had never heard of this brand. This just showed up at my door one day and I'm glad it did because I actually love this stuff. It also smells really nice. It smells like you just ate a little chocolate peppermint candy, mostly peppermint, and it's like really subtle. It's not too strong. They also sent a moisturizer, but I haven't tried this yet. That is my lip combo right now. I love sharing my lip combo with you guys because I feel like I change it up all the time. Anyways, now I'm gonna do my hair. It is hair washing night tonight, so my hair is not looking too cute right now, but I did wash my bangs this morning and like blow dry them, so my bangs do look fine, but I am not leaving my hair down today because the rest of it is just greasy. Today the hair is going in 2 little braids. This is just my go-to hairstyle whenever I don't know what to do with my hair. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it or effort. I feel like Wednesday Addams with this hairstyle right now, but it's cute. I actually always get told that I look like Jenna Ortega. For like years, people have told me I look like either Jenna Ortega or Olivia Rodrigo. That's kind of like how I learned Olivia Rodrigo's name because people would tell me that before she was like super famous, and I never watched like any of the Disney shows that she was on, and so that's kind of like how I found out about her because people in my comments would be like, you look just like Olivia Rodrigo. I see the resemblance, but like, I don't know. My standards are also very high because one of my friends has a sister who literally is like identical to Olivia Rodrigo. It's crazy. She actually made a TikTok of them going to like her concert and her sister pretending to be Olivia, and Olivia Rodrigo literally commented on it and said, no, I thought this was me too. So shout out to Araya because she is the true Olivia Rodrigo doppelganger. Okay, here is the cleaning and packing day fit. Very comfy, very cozy, also breathable because I'm probably gonna get hot while I'm cleaning. But now I'm gonna go make myself some coffee. That I got a package, and this package is actually the reason that I was going to have to stay here today, possibly until like 7 or 8 or something, because that's usually when packages would get delivered here, and I didn't want like a package to come and then I'm like already gone and it gets stolen or something like that, so I was just gonna wait for it to get here. I was expecting to have to like stay here all day, but now that I know it's here, I can leave as soon as I'm done like cleaning and packing and stuff, which actually might end up taking all day, who knows. Okay, super quick little unboxing. I ordered this cute little shirt from Brandy. I hope it's the same color in person as it looked like online. I usually never see Brandy with color. Okay, this is a little more peachy than I thought it was gonna be, but I ordered this little like baby pink t-shirt because I have been so into baby pink recently, and Brandy never has colors anymore. They always just have like super neutral colors, and I miss when they would have like more colorful things, even though this is like a very like muted pink. I was so excited when I saw this on the website, so I ordered it immediately because I was scared that it was gonna like sell out or just be gone really fast or something. But yeah, that's all I got. Let's start cleaning. Okay, I finished my room and I'm gonna do the bathroom now, but the bathroom is very hard to film in because it is so small and there's not a lot of counter space. Like, I can't really set up my tripod on this counter. I'm not gonna put my camera on the toilet. There's not really anywhere to put it, so I'm gonna clean the bathroom really quick. I'm not gonna film it, and then we're gonna do all the floors. Okay, I'm done cleaning the floors and the bathroom, and now I have to do something really sad. I have to take down the tree. It's so cute and it's brought me and Rachel so much joy, but I have to take it down. And the reason I'm taking it down so early, it's kind of hard to explain, but basically this is my parents' old tree that they're just like letting us have for the apartment and stuff, and it was stored at my house in my hometown because we have no room here to store it, even though it's like kind of ours now. Hello? Why is Alexa talking? Alexa, Stop. I am so confused. Okay, anyways, by the time we get back from break, Christmas is gonna be over. We're gonna have to take the tree down and then have nowhere to put it because it's stored at my house and we don't have room here, blah, blah, whatever. And since I'm going home right now, like I might as well just take it now since we're not even gonna be here to like see the tree for Christmas. I'm so sad about it because it just makes us so happy. I like almost don't even want to film me taking it down because I feel like the Grinch right now, but it has to be done. I just broke an ornament. I should have known that was gonna happen. I was not being very careful. This is so sad. Luckily, I did not vacuum the floors in the living room because I knew that the tree was gonna make a mess. So I'm gonna put all the stuff in the box and then vacuum, maybe have some lunch, and I will update you guys later. I'm making lunch. As I'm watching Hell's Kitchen, I thought it would be fun to whip up a gourmet meal. Kraft macaroni and cheese. What's more gourmet than this? No, I just am trying not to like waste any dishes. That's like totally my excuse for eating this right now. I really don't want to have to do a bunch more dishes before I leave. This is such an easy lunch too, and I have to like pack. I was just like cleaning. I don't feel like cooking. Not that I can cook anyways. I don't need to justify me eating this, okay? You guys aren't allowed to judge me right now. It is time to start packing. I think I said this earlier, but right now I'm only packing for my weekend trip, and then I'll pack for my bigger trip afterwards. Pack meaning like just lay it all out basically because I don't have 2 suitcases. It's gonna be cold where I'm going, so I'm gonna bring probably a few long sleeves, and then I'll throw in a sweater. So we have these 2 long sleeves from Brandy. These are so comfy. This black long sleeve from Cotton On, the neckline, you kind of can't tell because it's so dark, but the neckline is so flattering, and then this sweater from Brandy. I'm also gonna grab a workout set just in case. This one is from Pink. This was sent to me and I actually really love it. It's really cute, really flattering top, and then these cute little leggings. I'm gonna bring a pair of sweatpants and a pair of yoga pants. And then for jeans, I'm gonna bring my Levi's Low Pros. These are low-rise jeans from Cotton On. This is the low-rise straight jean. I sized up in these because I wanted them to be baggier, and they are the perfect low-rise baggy jean. I'm gonna throw in this gray tank from Brandy just in case. And then I need some sweatshirts. I recently reorganized my sweatshirts. I got some dividers for my shelves on Amazon, and it looks so much better. I'll show you guys. I think I'm gonna grab one fitted one and one baggy one. And then lastly, I'm going to bring this big jacket. This is like the warmest jacket I've ever worn. It's also reversible, so it's like 2 jackets in one. It's from Brandy. They have it in a bunch of colors. I kind of wish I got it in the cream and brown version because that would just go with everything. But this is also just such like a fun piece with like the pop of blue on the inside, or you can wear it like just as the blue jacket itself. I have a lot of like blues and grays going on right now. Now I need to grab some PJs. Okay, clothes are packed. I'm leaving the big jacket out because there's no way that is fitting in the suitcase. Now I'm gonna start packing all of my other like random stuff, like makeup, hair stuff, computer, chargers, all that. Alright, you guys, I think the place is ready to go. I just did a bunch of little things to make sure that the place will be fine while we're gone. Everything's clean, all the trash is taken out. I'm trying to think of anything else I need to do to like shut the place down, but I think we're good. I have everything packed up in my room. I just need to load up my car and then I am good to go. It's 2:30 and I thought I was gonna be leaving at like 7 or 8, which is really nice. I'm like super paranoid though. I feel like I forgot something, but at the same time I feel like I overpacked. So I don't know, I'll probably just do one more check of everything and then go. So thank you guys for spending the morning with me, and I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye guys.